Okay, students. Assalamu alaikum. Mahdi Raza 62589. Today we are doing how to find the angle between the two planes. How to find the angle between the two planes. We are doing exercise 12.5. Exercise 12.5. Muhammad Rafi Khan 63008. Question number 47. Find the angle between the planes. In 47 and 48. So we'll find the angle between the planes. Question number 47. Question number 47. Exercise 12.5. Question number 47. One plane is x plus y equal to 1. This is plane 1, P1. And the other plane is P2. Its equation is 2x plus y minus 2z equal to 2. Two x plus y minus 2z. These are the two equations of two planes. First plane is x plus y equal to 1. The second plane is 2x plus y minus 2z equal to 2. These two students came. Kaisar Khan 7685. Muhammad Maz Khan 63423. Muhammad Maz Khan, Mark present. Then Ranwa Batul 63341. Muhammad Umar 61931. Sayyid Muhammad Askari 63384. Okay. So there are two planes. Plane 1 x plus y equal to 1. Plane 2 2x plus y minus 2z equal to 2. Farhan Ahmed 62001. Okay. First of all, we'll change it into standard form. It will become x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. And that will become 2x plus y minus 2z minus 2 equal to 0. These are the standard equations of the plane. So first of all, we'll find the normal vector for plane 1. The normal vector n1 will be equal to, this is vector, normal vector n1 will become 1i. The coefficient of x is 1. 1 into I will be I. Then coefficient of y is plus 1. Plus 1 into j will be j. I plus j is the normal vector. Here also we'll find the normal vector n2 will be the normal vector, perpendicular vector to the plane 2. The coefficient of x is 2. 2 into I. Then plus coefficient of y is 1. 1 into j. J. Coefficient of z is minus 2. So minus 2 into k. This is the normal vector for plane 2. So we have the two normal vectors. The angle between these two vectors will be the angle between these two planes. We have to find the angle between these two planes, P1 and P2. We will find the normal vectors. So we will find the angle in between them. We will calculate the angle in between these two vectors. So how to find the angle between the two vectors? N1 dot N2 will be equal to mod N1 into mod N2 into cos of theta. This formula will be used to find the angle theta in between them. Mohammed Tala Sarfaraz 61933. 61933 is also marked. Okay. So N1 is I plus j dot N2 2i plus j minus 2k. N1 dot N2 will be equal to mod N1 1 square plus the coefficient of j is also 1 square whole under root into mod N2 under root 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square into cos of theta into cos of theta. Okay. Ibrahim Aftab 8367. Okay. I plus j dot 2i plus j minus k. So I component is multiplied with the I component. 1 into 2 will be 2. 1 into 1 will be 1. There is k. K component is 0 over there. In the first vector n1, k component is 0. So 0 into 2 will be 0. Here k is 0. 0 into 2 will minus 2 will be 0. Under root. 1 square will be 1 plus 1 square will be 1 into 2 square will be 4. 1 square will be 1. 2 square will be 4 into cos of theta. Mohammed Sharif 61332. Okay. Now this is 2 plus 1 will be 3 equal to under root 2 into under root 9 into cos of theta. It will become 3 equal to under root 2 into under root 9 will be 3 into cos of theta. So cos of theta will become 3 upon 3 under root 2. Three is cancelled by 3. So cos of theta will become 1 upon root 2. And theta will become cos inverse. This cos will be shifted on that side. Cos inverse 1 upon root 2. So therefore, theta will become 45 degree or pi by 4 radian. (45° or pi by 4 radian, the angle. In this way, we will find the angle in between the two planes. First of all, for each plane, we will find the n1 and n2, their normal vectors. Then we take the dot product of these normal vectors. N1 dot n2 is equal to n1 mod n1 into mod n2 into cos of theta. So n1 is I plus j, n2 is 2i plus j minus 2k equal to mod n1 1 square plus 1 square whole under root mod n2 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square into cos of theta. So I into 2i will be 2, 1 into 1 will be 1, there is no k. So 0 into minus 2 will be 0 equal to 1 square will be 1, 1 square will be 1 whole under root. The other root 2 square will be 4, 1 square will be 1 minus 2 square will be 4 into cos of theta. Next step 2 plus 1 will be 3, 1 plus 1 will be under root 2, 4 plus 1 plus 4 will be under root 9 into cos theta. So 3 will become 3 is equal to under root 2 into under root 3 will be 3. Sorry, under root 9 will be 3 into cos of theta. Now cos of theta will become 3 divided by 3 under root 2. 3 is cancelled by 3, so cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. cos will be shifted on the other side. Theta will be equal to cos inverse 1 upon root 2. So cos inverse 1 upon root 2, the answer is 45 degree or pi by 4. 45 degree or pi by 4. This is the way how to find the angle between the two vectors. Sayyid Muhammad Haris, 63274. 63276. Muhammad Fasi Rohan, 62725. Six four two eight nine. Okay. In the same way, we will find the angle between the two planes. Now the next thing is find the point in which the line meets the plane. That means the point of intersection of the line and the plane. Daniel Sultan, 59283. Next question, exercise, question number 53 of the same exercise. Find the point in which the line meets the plane. We have to find the line point where the line is intersecting the plane. Where the line is intersecting the plane. Question number 53. Question number 53. The parametric equation is given x is equal to 1 minus t. Equation of line. X is equal to 1 minus t. Y is equal to 3t Z is equal to 1 plus T. This is the parametric equation. This is the parametric equation of the straight line and the equation of the plane. Two x minus y plus 3z equal to 6. Two x minus y plus 3z equal to 6. This is the equation of the plane. We have to find the point of intersection. That means the point where the line is intersecting the plane. Where the line is intersecting the plane, we have to find that point, the coordinates of the point. This is Abdul Muiz 7939. Mohsin Ali 62008. Okay. So we have to find the point of intersection of the line and the plane. Suppose the point is let us suppose that point of intersection is XYZ. This is the point of intersection. But XYZ equal to X is equal to 1 minus T, comma, Y is equal to 3T, comma, Z is equal to 1 plus T. This is the point of intersection. This is the point of intersection of the plane This is the point of intersection of the plane and the line. Therefore, this is the common point. This is the common point of the line as well as the plane. So this point will be substituted in the plane because the point of intersection always with the common point. Point of intersection means the common point. This point exists also exists in the plane. Therefore, we will substitute this point in the plane to find the value of T. Sayyid Munawwar Ali Shah 62367. So we will substitute this point in the plane, this one. Therefore 2 into 1 minus t minus y 3t plus 3 z is 1 plus t is equal to 6. Open it. 2 minus 2t minus 3t plus 3 plus 3t equal to 6. Minus 3t plus 3t cancel. It will become minus 2t. 2 plus 3 will be 5 equal to 6. Shift 5 on the other side. Minus 2t. 6 minus 5 equal to 1. We will find the value of t. T will be equal to 1 upon minus 2. So minus 1 upon 2 is the value of t. We will substitute over there to get the value of x, y, z. Hence, point of intersection is equal to, substitute the value of t, 1 minus 1 upon 2, comma 3 into minus 1 upon 2, comma 1 plus minus 1 upon 2. Simplify this one. It will become 1 plus 1 over 2 minus 3 over 2, 1 minus 1 over 2. The final answer 3 over 2, comma minus 3 over 2, comma minus 1 over 2. 1 minus 1 over 2 will be 1 over 2. This is the answer. 1 plus 1 over 2 will be 3 over 2, minus 3 over 2, and 1 over 2. This is the answer. 61768. Mohammad on Raza Naqvi. Shine al Shafat 60788. Sayyid Shamir Hassan 61846. In this way, we will find the point of intersection of the plane and the straight line. Where the straight line is intersecting the plane, so we will find that point. First of all, we will suppose that the point is XYZ. we will suppose that the point is xyz, but x is equal to 1 minus t, y is equal to 3t, and z is equal to 1 plus t. Therefore, the point of intersection will become 1 minus t, 3t, and 1 plus t. When it is the point of intersection, it means this is the common point. This is a common point. So that point will be substituted in the equation of the plane. X is replaced by 1 minus t, 2 into 1 minus t, minus y is 3t, plus 3z, 3 into 1 plus t, and equal to 6. We will open it. 2 minus 2t minus 3t plus 3 equal to 6. 3t is cancelled by 3t minus 3t. So 2 minus 2t, 2 plus 3 will be 5 equal to 6. 5 is shifted on the other side. Minus 2t is equal to 6 minus 5 equal to 1. Then t is equal to 1 over minus 2. So t is equal to minus 1 over 2. That answer, that value of t is substituted in the equation of the that value of t is equal to minus 1 upon 2 is substituted in our original point. That was 1 minus t. So 1 minus minus 1 over 2, comma 3t, 3 into minus 1 over 2, comma 1 plus t, 1 plus minus 1 over 2. So 1 minus minus plus 1 plus 1 over 2, 3 into minus 1 over 2 will be minus 3 over 2, 1 minus 1 over 2. It will become 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2. This is the answer. This is the point where the line x is equal to 1 minus t, y is equal to 3t, and z is equal to 1 plus t is intersecting the point, the plane 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 6. So this is the way how to find the. We will do another question. Question number 54. Question number 54. If you people have any problem, you must raise your hand and you may ask your continue on your question. Question number 54. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 plus 2t. Abdul Rahim 61. Muhammad on Baza Nakwi 61768. X is 2, y is 3 plus 2t, z is equal to minus 2 minus 2t. And the equation of the plane is 6x plus 3y minus 4z. plus 3y minus 4z is equal to minus 12. Again, we will suppose that the point of intersection, let us take point of intersection xyz. But xyz is equal to, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 plus 2t, and z is equal to minus 2 minus 2t. These values of x, y, and z will be substituted in the equation of the plane. Substituting in the equation of a plane, of the plane. Six x is 2 plus 3, y is 3 plus 2t,